Ever wondered how skateboarding came into existence or how to embark on your own thrilling journey on four wheels? Today, Nautical Outdoors will introduce you into the fascinating world of skateboarding, exploring its rich history and the steps to make your first ride a memorable one. Let's journey back to the late 1940s and early 1950s. Surfing was the trend of the era, but surfers needed something to do when the waves were flat. Thus, sidewalk surfing or skateboarding was born. It was a simple concept, a board on wheels. From being a pastime, skateboarding evolved into a global phenomenon by the 1970s, with its own set of professional athletes, competitions, and a counterculture that still thrives today. Now imagine standing on your first skateboard. The thrill, the anticipation, the freedom. But before you start, you'll need a skateboard. Choose one that fits your style and purpose. The wider boards provide more stability and are great for beginners. A helmet, knee pads, and elbow pads are also essential for safety. Next, find a flat, smooth surface to practice. A driveway or an empty parking lot works just fine. Begin by placing your skateboard on the ground and stepping on it, 1 foot at a time. Always remember, safety first. Start with your dominant foot at the front of the board. This is called your stance. Once comfortable, push off gently with the other foot. Lean forward slightly to maintain balance. Keep your knees slightly bent and your arms out to your sides. This will help you stay balanced as you glide. After mastering balance, it's time to learn how to turn. Lean towards the direction you want to go. The wheels will follow the tilt of the board. Remember, practice makes perfect. Now comes the exciting part, tricks. Start with a basic trick called an ollie. It involves pushing down on the tail of the skateboard and jumping slightly to lift the board off the ground. It might take some time, but don't give up. In summary, skateboarding is more than a sport. It's a lifestyle born out of surf culture. Getting started with skateboarding involves choosing the right gear, finding the perfect spot, and practicing your stance, balance, and turns. And once you've got the basics down, you can start learning tricks, beginning with the ollie. Remember, every professional skateboarder started just like you, with a board and a dream. So, step on that board, push off, and embrace the freedom that comes with skateboarding. Every ride is a new adventure waiting to happen. Happy skateboarding.